Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the previous video about shopping at the Toyosu fish market with Mr. Sawada. Today at this video, he will show you us several Anago dishes which he serves at his restaurant. The part you're watching right now is he's now cleaning the Anago, parboiled and cooled in ice water. Then he washed the skin part to take off the slimy part. He's cutting the Anago into 60 to 70 grams and start to boil with the dashi soup. He will show you how to make the dashi soup later. The sugar is first, then soy sauce and mirin. Oil on the top and start to boil. And once it boiled, lower the heat and boil over low heat around 1 and 2 hours. After 2 hours, the Anago is ready. You can see how soft the meat is, and you can use this for the sushi or put it on the rice. This is dashi soup. Put the seaweed into the water, boil it up to 70 degrees, and put the fish flake. After that, drain it, and you're good to go. The dashi soup is base soup of the Japanese cuisine. Now, he's making a shirayaki, the grilled anago. This is sake, and a little bit of salt, and grill it. The last meal you can guess is the Anago Tempura. The Anago Tempura is my favorite meal. Those Anago dishes are very famous meal from Edo, Tokyo. So when you visit to Tokyo, don't forget to visit a lot of great Anago restaurant. It's so good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I put the link on the description about the shopping at the Tsukiji fish market with Mr. Sawada. So please don't forget to check that video also. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for hit the subscribe button and the like button. I'll see you guys soon.